In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an employee report on QuickBooks. This short tutorial is designed to walk you through the process step by step, and you'll find it incredibly simple once you get the hang of it. So, let's dive right in and streamline your QuickBooks experience. To begin, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks online website. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the Employees section. You can find this option in the main dashboard menu on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will open up a detailed view where you can see all your employee profiles and pertinent details. The next step is to click on the employee profile you're interested in. This action brings up a detailed page specific to that particular employee. Here, you'll find all the information related to their role and contributions within your organization. It's a handy feature that allows you to assess vital employee details at a glance. Next, you should locate the Actions drop-down menu. This menu typically sits toward the upper right side of the employee profile page. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Doing so will reveal a list of actions that you can take within the employee's profile. From this list, you'll want to select the option that says Run Report. Clicking this will direct you to a new interface where you'll set the parameters for the report you wish to generate. As you set these parameters, you'll need to select the date range for the report. Whether it's a summary of activities for the past month or any other specific time frame, just make sure you choose the dates that suit your needs. This step is essential for ensuring that you get the precise data you need in the report. Once you've selected your dates, the final step is to click on the Run Report button, and there you have it. You have just run an employee report in QuickBooks Online. The report should now be available for you to view. You can also download it or even share it with your colleagues if necessary. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and effective. Running reports in QuickBooks Online is an excellent way to keep track of employee activities and manage your business more efficiently. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comments below. Happy bookkeeping!